Welcome everyone again. This is how to animate text in CapCut automatically. So first I'll need to click on this text menu here and add the text here. So I want to change this to, let's say, famous. Let me write famous here. Famous. Let me use capital letter. Famous. So I've had famous name. So next you're going to do is you want to automatically animate this. You want to change the direction. Okay, so next you're going to come to this angle here where it says scale. This is where you're going to make it big or small. So let me take it back to normal. So let's say I want to automatically make this particular text smaller, so I can come here to add keyframe here, then come to this, take this timeline to this direction here, and then take it small.
Hello again, and it's your boy.
Let me turn off this one. So look at it. So we can watch it from automatically making it big and small. So let's assume I want to change direction from this particular place. I want to bring it down here. If I want to take it up this time around, I will clicking on the position. So if you want to move it to any direction, the scale is if you want to zoom it, you want to zoom it in and out. So that is what this scale does. You can see. So this direction is if you want to change it to any direction. You want to take it to the left angle, you want to take it to the right angle, you want to take it to the other angles. So that is, so if you want to animate this particular place now, I want to add keyframe to it too. I'll click on this text icon here, this text here. So I'll come to this position, where is this position, click on this position here. So this time I'll take it to here, and I'll move this thing down here. So just watch how it's gonna, you can see. So that's how easy it is to add keyframes to text, to animate, or to move. So let's assume I want to start a video now. I want to zoom it in and out automatically. So let me for this one now. So let me make it small now. So I'll click on add keyframe. I'll click on add keyframe to this particular place here, and then I'll bring this to this place, and then the timeline I'll bring it to this particular place here, and then add keyframe. No need to add keyframe, I'll just bring it here like this. You can see. If I want to make it more faster, I can shift this thing to this angle here. You can see. This is how to add and animate text in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment for more.